On a Mac, the operating system already does the basic job free. Apple's built-in text replacement syncs static snippets across your Apple devices. Though Apple's own documentation notes it is not available in every app, and Espanso covers the power user case free and open source on Mac, Windows, and Linux. That's the part of TextExpander nobody puts in headline. So, is it actually worth your money?
We've read the fine print and pulled the receipts. And if the honest answer is skip it, that's exactly the verdict you'll hear.
Okay, first things first. What does it actually do?
Here's the core of it. Text expansion tool. You type a short abbreviation and it expands into a stored snippet system-wide on macOS and Windows and in Chrome, with fill-in fields, nested snippets, date maths, and scripting. The real product is the team layer, a shared snippet library with permissions, sign up by email domain, auto-subscribe for new hires, usage statistics, and SSO, embed support, clinical admin, recruiting and sales teams that need everyone sending the same approved wording. The vendor self-attests SOC2 or SOC3 and HIPAA compliance with a BAA available, which is the clearest argument for paying rather than using a free expander. From $3.33 per user per month billed annually. No free plan, 30-day trial without a credit card.
That's the pitch. Now, the price.
Let's talk price. There's a free tier that genuinely does something. Every tier is broken down in the free dossier on our AI Builder Marketplace website, and we never make the numbers up.
And the catch? Hold on, every tool has fine print. Is this actually worse than normal?
On Windows, there is no built-in equivalent, contrary to a widely repeated claim. PowerToys has no text expansion utility, so the case for paying is genuinely stronger there. Do not buy it for mobile. The vendor's own mobile page is an early access sign-up form for Android and iOS betas, not a shipping product, even though the surrounding copy is written in the present tense. Add the 7-day activity history that applies even on the $10.83 growth tier, where SSO is the only published edition over business, and the estimated 20% uplift for EU, UK, and Australian buyers. And for one person with a few dozen fixed snippets, the honest answer is usually don't. And that's not our opinion. It's on their own pricing page.
So, who is it genuinely for?
Honestly, support, clinical admin, and recruiting teams that need everyone sending identical approved wording. The shared library, permissions, email domain sign-up, auto-subscribe, and SSO are what the paid tiers actually buy, and the SOC2 and HIPAA with BAA posture the vendor advertises is the one thing no free expander offers a compliance-bound team.
And who should walk away?
Simple. Skip it if you're one person on a Mac with a couple of dozen fixed snippets. macOS text replacement is built in and free. Espanso is free and open source across all 3 desktop platforms. And a subscription only starts earning its keep when you need fill-in fields, scripting, or a second person editing the same library. So, the verdict. Worth it if you're support. Skip it if you're one person on a Mac with a couple of dozen fixed.
The complete text expander dossier, every claim sourced, every flag with its evidence, is free in the Honest Software Atlas on our AI Builder Marketplace website. No sign up.
And if Text Expander isn't your fit, the honest alternative is one click away.
Used TextExpander yourself? The dossier now takes reader reviews, and critical ones get published too.
Quick one for the comments. Are you team free tier or team pay for power? We read every single one.
One honest software review, every single week.
No hype, no fake discounts, and we say skip it when that's the truth. Subscribe and catch the next one.